Hey everyone, it's Kika from Kika's Clips. Just the other day, we drew out these fun Olympic sports figure people, stick people. I thought we could take this one step further and create a fun, colorful version of that. The inspiration is, I'll put the website in information in the description below, but I found this website, I learned about it, Olympic Museum, and it looks like every year or every few years, one artist who is an Olympian puts together some art for the Olympics. So this is from last year. How cool is that? Olympians jumping out of the screen, racing through everything. In 2022 in Beijing, they had something different set up for the art. Look how amazing that is. 2020 looked like street art, looks like chalk pastels. And then in 2018, these four artists, who are Olympians, put together this big painting. And over the course of the Olympics, these were the Winter Olympics, each Olympian got a chance to participate. So I thought, how about we take something like this with our stick people and adding all these fun and colorful rings. So let's get started. I'm going to be using Procreate. I'll be using a crayon brush. I'll link the free brushes in the description. And before we begin, actually, I would like to map it out. If you're using an iPad, grab your iPad, pencil, paper, painting, markers, whatever is best. And I think I'm going to start off with drawing my stick person. This will be my stick person, and I've decided to go ahead with the gymnastics stick figure who will be dancing with a ribbon. I just really like that ribbon. Trying to make my legs equal. You know what? I'm even gonna curve this out. Curve that out a bit. There we go. It's a curved rectangle. So if you're not sure what stick figure you'd like to draw, you can go back to the first video to practice. Perfect. And then I need some hands. My one arm. My ribbon. There we go. And I need a second arm. And the trick here is to make each arm and leg as equal as possible in size. But again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And my legs are separated from the body, but you can definitely connect it. That is just preference. Okay. I'm gonna bring my person down a little bit. Here, there we go. Oops. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna start drawing in rings. And actually, you can draw the Olympic rings in the middle, because this will be technically the background. I just want to draw an assortment of different rings in different sizes. And if you have something circular in your home, maybe tape, anything that has a circle end, you can actually just trace it. Anything that has a circle, different sizes, to create these rings. I will be erasing all these. I'm just mapping out what I want it to look like. So if you're using a pencil, that's awesome. Then you can erase some of it. Maybe if you're on a digital app, then you can just add a new layer. But I just want a few rings spaced out. Maybe add one more here. And I'm gonna put different shapes within it. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna leave it there. But again, if you want more ideas, I'll leave this in the description so you can look into it. All these fun different decors, different zigzags. I love how they put different dots and lines within the rings. How fun is that? And how colorful it is. So use as much color as you possibly would like. And now that I have everything mapped out, if I was on pencil paper, I would erase it a little bit, but I get to use the digital form. I just changed the opacity. I'm gonna use crayon. I think what I'm gonna do is start off with my person. Color in my stick figure. Now I only added a few rings, but you can add many, many rings. My ribbon, I think I'm gonna go with like a turquoise color. Blue turquoise color, because I like that. Let me know in the comments below what stick figure did you end up drawing? What sport? And you know what? Even though it's the Summer Olympics, you don't have to stick with the summer sports. Maybe you like hockey. That'd be pretty cool too. Nice. And we gotta start with a blue. And don't forget to make these rings thick enough so that you can add in detail within. The ring itself. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simple shapes. Beautiful. Maybe this ring can be green. Maybe some triangles would be fun then there. With me yellow triangles. Oh, brush is too big. Nice. Dark turquoise in the corner. And maybe we'll put pink on top of that. I did circles, I did triangles. Maybe we'll do some squares. Or some squiggles. I really liked how they did squiggles. Maybe I'll do some squiggles. Squiggly stripes within my circle. Did I use purple yet? Not yet. Grab a purple. And then grab a dark purple. What should I do there? I can do rectangles or squares. That'd be fun. Beautiful. 3 more to go. Gonna do a light green. And I think I want my background just to be yellow, to just make it super, super bright. Let's try, yeah, like a pastel-y yellow. But actually, we can just have different shades of yellow. Ooh, that'd be fun. Within the different rings. Yes, love that. Beautiful. I'm just gonna erase that. Yes, the background will just be different colors of yellow for me. I definitely want to grab a red. How about do this one red? And one more color. Pink. I didn't do a pink ring yet. Yes. Some curved lines. And I need something for that green. Just circles, circles, squiggles, squiggles. Maybe I'll do some more triangles because those were just fun. Oh, that was not a triangle. Beautiful. And now, just grabbing my yellows. For my background. This section. Grab that darker color. And that will all be that color. So I need 2 more shades of yellow. Let's do this one. For this ring. And the shade of yellow for this one. Now because I'm doing it digitally, I have more options for more yellows. But don't get discouraged if you just have a few yellows. Just use the 3 yellows that you have. Or maybe you're not using yellow, a different color. I would love to know, what is your favorite sport? What do you play any sports? What stick figure did you end up drawing? I'd actually love to see your final artwork. You can tag me on Instagram. And what did you use to draw? Markers, pencil crayons, crayons like me? Or maybe you used paint? Okay. How does that look? That looks amazing. My ribbon is a little bit lost, so I'm actually going to grab the darker turquoise and just kind of outline it. Because I technically could have also used black. Oh yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Color that in a little bit. I think now you can clearly see that ribbon. Definitely. And I see some white spots. Oh yeah, that is so colorful, so fun. We got an Olympian. Should make that leg more straight. Doing a gymnastics ribbon routine. Don't forget to send this to a friend that you think would also enjoy this video. And you guys can share your artwork with each other and also with me. Don't forget me. Want to see your artwork. Beautiful. Don't forget your sign, your name at the end. Keep creating, keep learning, and I can't wait for the next video. See you soon, guys.